Let G be finite and A a subgroup of G. Show the index of A and its normalizer is the number of distinct cosets in G mod A, invariant under left multiplication by A. So let G be in G, then a coset GA in G mod A is invariant under left multiplication by A if and only if for all A in big A dot GA is equal to AG A. That's just by how actions work. Is equal to GA. That is invariant. And this holds if and only if G inverse A G is in A, which holds if and only if, of course, G is in the normalizer of A. So GA is invariant under left multiplication by A if and only if G is in the normalizer of A. Thus, the number of such cosets of A in G is the index of A in its normalizer.